How to transfer your TikTok account to another phone. Intro. Got a new phone and want to move your TikTok account? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to transfer your TikTok account to another device. Step 1. Install TikTok on the new phone. First, download and install the TikTok app from the App Store or Google Play on your new phone. Step 2. Log in to your account. Open TikTok and tap on Login. Now enter your username, email, or phone number and your password. If you use Google, Facebook, or Apple to log in, just select that option. Step 3. Verification code. For security, TikTok may send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Enter the code to continue. Step 4. Access your account. Once logged in, you'll see all your profile details, followers, drafts saved on TikTok servers, and settings on your new phone. Note, drafts saved only on your old phone's storage won't transfer. If you want to keep them, make sure to download or post them before switching. Outrow. And that's it! You've successfully transferred your TikTok account to another phone. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials.